Hello dear all, welcome back. Today we will discuss about what is the land surface temperature and how to calculate the land surface temperature using the Google Earth engine. First we are going to see what is the land surface temperature. Land surface temperature and air temperature are the two different measurement of the temperature. LST is measured at the surface of the ground while the TR is measured at standard height of 1.2 meter. It may be a very above the ground surface. There are strong relationship between the LST and TR, but they have different physical meanings and responding to atmosphere conditions and so on. So we are moving to see how to calculate the land surface temperature. This code I will be given in the description of this video. So don't worry. First step is importing the country boundaries. I am using this feature collection, that is USDOS slash LSIB simple slash 2017. You can simply type this here and import these boundaries named as dataset. Then the next step is that to extract your country boundary from this layer. Here my country is Pakistan. I am type here Pakistan. Here you need to input your country name. Okay, the next step is that print your country boundary. You can simply using a keyword print and input the variable, this variable here and semicolon. Then the next step is add Pakistan outline on the map layer. For this purpose, you need to use the keyword Map.centerObject. Then your this variable, call this variable here, and this is the value of zooming, and then click then add map layer. This one is also reserved keyword that is used for adding a layer in our map. Okay, the next one is importing LST image collection. This is a code for LST product of MODIS, that is mod 1 1a2. Okay, type this code here, you can find easily and insert this here and make a one variable named as a MODIS. Okay, the next is defining a range of interest. Here you need to define the start date and your range. I am defining here 1 year. It is calculated the 1 year 2015 01 slash 01 to 2015 slash 12 slash 31. And then the next step is that filter the LST collection to include only images inside in the desired date ranges. Uh, and then, here you need to input the variable that is mod 11a2, that is the code, but you just need to make a one variable. It depends upon you. If you choose any other name, there is no any uh, there is no any restriction. Choose another variable name. So here I am going to input the filter date, that is that I am called this variable here, and modis dot filter date, and this modis variable is here, that is a product variable modis. Okay, the next step is that select only the 1 kilometer day LST data band and make a one variable mod LST day mod 11a2. Select the LST day 1 kilometer. Then next step is select the Kelvin, convert into the Celsius. Here I'm going to convert the Kelvin into the Celsius. For this purpose, you need to multiply with 0.02 and subtract it from 273.15 and then so on. This is all the things, and this code is for making a time series chart for LST. Here you just need to define these other parameters. Okay, the next step is that calculate the 8-day mean temperature for Pakistan in 2015. You just need to input your clip area and mean function here. This is basically mean function that is apply on this variable mod LSTC, and this variable clipped LSTC. Then you just need to add this variable into our map. These are the colors that are defining the uh, intensity. Red color is defined more intensity and blue color is minimum and red is maximum. Okay, the next step is just click on one button Okay, here generating the chart is generated here, and this is your LST that are representing here. Okay, this one is your LST. It is showing the maximum temperature values are here, and here there is you can also know that these are the northern areas. Here the temperature is minimum, and the mean temperature of 2015 are calculated here. And for chart, you can click here, and a new window is appearing here. These are the LST in Celsius, Feb 2020, Feb 2015, April 2015, June, August, October, and December. And you can see that here the LST value is 18 degrees Celsius in December, and peak values are recorded in June, that is 41.118 degrees Celsius. And this is a time series chart you can also download and save as a PNG format. Okay, you can also change your date range. For this purpose, you need to just click here, and for example, I am going to calculation for 2017, and simply type here 17, and changing it, change here and here, simply run it again. You can also use it for research purpose, because it is amazing. You just simply changing the dates and variable, and you can see that your map is changed, completely changed. You can see that the temperature intensity here are different. Then you can move on chart area. Okay, here just simply change its title from 15 to 17, then run it. Okay, we are going to open this chart. Okay, this chart is 2015, and this chart is for 2017. You can see that the LST values are goes to be increases. This is Feb 2017, and this one is March 2017. Okay, in this way you can make your land surface temperature map by using Google Earth Engine. Okay, again change it from 2017 to 2015, and change its date range, run it again. Okay, you can easily identify where the temperature is maximum. So this is Balochistan, and this one is Punjab, KPK, Kashmir, and this one is Sindh area. You can zoom here and check the mean temperature there. You can see that the temperature is maximum here. There is a little bit yellow shades because there is a vegetation area, and the, you can see is that the Punjab temperature and Balochistan temperature completely different from one another. And in this way you can perform a time series analysis and making a beautiful maps by using a Google Earth engine. Thank you so much, all of them.